Welcome. This is the Waves of Profit 5-minute hangout. Usually don't take much longer than that. Can you make 10% in 10 minutes? That's what we're doing. We're proving it. We've got over 20 or 30 videos in the playlist at YouTube. You can watch them all and you're going to see an opportunity. Then you can go and you can actually check out it's all public knowledge. And did the stock actually do that? Did the option actually do that? And is there really a time when you could make 10% in 10 minutes? And after you've done your due diligence, we've got a couple courses that will show you, first of all, what stocks, stock options, calls and puts are and all about, and how that whole world works, and then actually how this software works. And we're coming up with other courses which you'll be seeing in the near future with some other strategies that some of our coaches have developed, as well as some courses on the mind side, because the fact of the matter is most of our decisions are made by our subconscious, and our subconscious is not necessarily on side. Some people talk about having a thermostat where if you're making $30,000, $40,000 a year and all of a sudden you're making 70, you will do something that all of a sudden causes your income to drop back down into that $30,000 range. Or even if you're making $100,000 a year and it goes to 200,000, you will sabotage yourself to get back down to where your thermostat is set. And so we want to be able to deal with that, because it is legend in the world of speculation and derivatives of people that make $1 million overnight and they lose $2 million the next day. And we just assume that wasn't you. So we want to do everything we can to help you be successful. So 10%, 10 minutes, May 20th, 2015. I'm Scott, he's Alan. Alan, is it possible? Is this the day where you say, and by the way, there are, I think, 8 days a year where we say don't trade, don't even think about trading, stay away from the market. But I don't know, is today one of those days?
Heck no, this is a great day. And what I love is it's so easy. It's like, which side of the trade should I be on? This is a summary little window that says some stuff. There's also right here, we've talked about these kinds of clues before. I think I'll just go buy a put. I'm going to put this one away, but it's like, yeah, all the indexes are running red. You should just be looking at the red side. So, and here, hit the setup is done. I hit the buy on the put side. I'm going to go forward 1 minute. I'm going to go forward another. It's still hanging in there, and then boom. This is where I sort of expected that it would touch and bounce and do whatever and have struggle. There was enough room in there to make money, and that's 18%. And as you can see, the market's nicely red, so I'm going to hit the sell on that one. Let's go look at another one. This is Google. Now, you could have actually, the signal came in at, here's 934. We don't suggest getting in at 934 generally. Here's 935. You could have got in there, but I like 936, a little safer, and you can see everything's lining up. So this is the exact same time as that other one. So if you didn't like that stock, how about this one? Because there's lots of them. So we're going to hit the sell and see how this one behaves. Oops, I just screwed up. I'm going to go forward. I just missed it. Oh, I know. Let's go to Google. Here we go, 936. So same time, same stock generally. There's 1 minute. I'm going to hit the sell now because that's plenty of good cash.
Wow.
Yeah.
And we're not about being greedy, right? The point of this all is to decide on how much money you want to make, and then make that amount of money and then go live your life. There's more to the world than pieces of paper and coins made out of something not gold or silver.
Mm-hmm. So here, this is using 1 minute candles, which a lot of people use. This is the third candle, but it's really nice. It broke the previous low. It just zipped down in there. This is after, or still before 945 turn. So we've got 4 minutes to make our money. But on a day like that, that's strong red, and this thing's just ready to go, it's a good chance that it'll work. So I'm going to go forward 1 minute. There it is, 1 minute. See, that's the thing about strong days. versus weak, mediocre days. And you'll see some other YouTube videos here that are, you know, weekdays, and you have to hang around for 10, 20 minutes just maybe to make your 10%. Whereas a strong market day, boom, there it is. So I'm just going to give you the summary here. So Amgen was 5 minutes, 18%. This is me making a boo-boo, and it cost me 0.5% because commission, getting in and getting out and spreads and all that stuff. And here's the same stock, basically. This is Google instead of Goog. They did a split and all that neat stuff a year ago. So 19% roughly in 1 minute. And here's Celgene in 1 minute, 22%. So that's because it's a strong day in the red side. And, you know, more clues, high red bars. I don't see any green laying around here. It's like, should I have bought a green stock? No, I just actually want to win. How about that? I'll just go with the easy one.
So, Alan, in a month, how many days would be a strong day like this?
Oh, you get easily 5 or 6 that are like this or better, easily. And but there's lots of great days. I would say, like what you said earlier, there's only maybe one day a month, where 2 days a month, where it's like, yeah, there's just really nothing here that is worth trading. So what? The rest of the time, you know, it's a fairly safe trading in the sense of you know what to do and where to go and when to get in and when to get out. You know, but on the days when the market doesn't know which way to go, see, here's the market. I got red tint, red candles, red. You know, it's just like strong red start. It says, you know, right now there's low volume, but you know, good trading, selective. Yeah, it's so easy. And this wasn't even a super strong day. It was just a very nice, clean, clear, strong red day.
Cool. It's just like being in the Matrix when you look at all those things moving up and down, and you see, like the guy says, blonde, brunette, and a redhead walking down the street. Doesn't look like it to us, but once you practice, boy, oh boy, it can work.
I see red ink.
I see red ink. That's right. Don't buy a call.
Don't buy a call. That's right. Stay on the red team.
Awesome. So bottom right-hand corner is a little icon. You can click on that, subscribe to the channel. I think that would be a really good thing. Then you won't be missing any of our episodes. They're very short. We're keeping them as short as we can, although the odd time we ramble on, just like now. And we've got a couple courses. If you're wondering, you know, can I do this? It takes training and it takes some practice. So we've got the training for you. We've got more training courses coming out. Just go into the description below or check the little eye in the top right-hand corner. And that's where the little cards will be popping down sooner or later, and they'll take you directly to the courses as well. Learn it, interact with us, practice with the software, get really confident, and then start setting some goals and achieving them. So thanks for joining us. This is the Waves of Profit. If you want to know more, www.wavesofprofit.com, or check out the description below. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.